AMP holders might be getting quite excited this morning. It's up 22%, a huge pump up to $0.0049. We can see it's ranked 137. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new, do subscribe, get yourself into the Discord down below. We're talking about loads of crazy stuff, pre-sales and much more. So yeah, I hope we're doing well. Bitcoin is now back above $21,000, so things are looking quite good again. The market sentiment is back to neutrality. We can see AMP, this awesome gem, has been pumping quite nice over the last 7 days from 0.0034, almost done a 2x in just a week. So yeah, it's really cool. It says here on the website, AMP token, let's take money into the 21st century. AMP provides assets like GUSD with instant verifiable assurance for any real world application. You can stake, send, repeat. So it's a really cool ecosystem. Do research this, do your own due diligence, take a look at it. And of course, by the way, guys, a shout out to the pre-sale down below, MetaMasters, because they've just hit $400,000. And to be honest, they're going to hit the next stage of the pre-sale probably by the end of the day. I do own some of this. I will be buying more today. I think I'm getting a bit of FOMO, not gonna lie. So you don't never copy what I do, guys. And honestly, if you're getting frustrated about losses, then it just means you're risking too much anyway. So just, maybe you want to grab $20, $30, $40, $50 worth. There's some links down to pre-sales below. So let's have a look at AMP coin. What is going on? It's clearly in a huge downtrend. On the monthly, it looks very bad. It's corrected severely. It's not looking typically amazing, but looking at that daily time frame, we can see we are starting to get a major pump now. So in my opinion, looking at AMP, it's overextended on the Bollinger Band that we can see right here. It's way above the 20-day moving average, so it does look like things have moved a bit euphorically, overbought on the RSI, and we are getting a nice bit of volume come through, which is of course nice to see, but really we're down significantly from the all-time high anyway. So 0.00789 is a key resistance and price target that we'd be looking out for AMP coin, and I really would like to see the bulls actually take control here, but we are unfortunately getting that rollover now, typically from being overbought on the RSI. I'm sure the 4-hour RSI is looking pretty bad too. Yeah, it does look quite bad indeed. And looking at the 1 hour, we're just getting a bit of a flow of red candles over here as we cross back through that 20-day moving average. So hard to speculate what will truly happen as we lose support. We lose a bit of structure. We can see this support here on the diagonal was lost. So it did look like a bit of a rising wedge was being formed, as we can see when we look at this particular diagonal. So that is what happened. And I'm not really surprised that the support has been lost on this occasion. Hopefully things will recover better. Crypto sentiment is pretty neutral at the moment, just looking at 51. So things aren't bonkers, but they're also not like completely fearful. And I do actually speculate that the FTX crash was, the washout, the last kind of shakeout for the retail investors, and 12.5K would be something that would be impossible at this rate. And I think the bottom has already been set in. Headline here, Bitcoin miners and average hodlers are back in the black. The latest Bitcoin rally is welcome relief for investors and miners alike. We can see Bitcoin rallied over the weekend, is now trading above 20K for the first time since spectacular collapse of the crash. So if people are getting excited again, it's looking pretty bullish in my opinion. I think the technical target is around 23.2K in my opinion. And this is very interesting as well. EU finance ministers say digital euro must offer privacy. The Eurogroup said digital euro would need to offer citizens privacy as well as comply with relevant tax and sanctions laws, blah all that boring stuff. European finance ministers, we just read that. The digital euro is being spearheaded by the European Central Bank, ECB, with the idea first launch in October 2020 and more formal investigation into the project rolled out in 2021. So this is really interesting, guys. Do some research on this. It could be massive for global adoption. Of course, it's going to help with the overall sentiment, and if this sort of thing passes, it's going to be really cool. So that is about a wrap for this particular video, I think. If you're new here, do get yourself into the Discord down below. There's also some pre-sale links if you want to take a look. Honestly, do not risk more than you can afford to. Pre-sales right now are risky, like any low cap market gems as well. And really, overall, it could still be a bit of a bull trap. So let's kind of take our time. Let's see what happens over the next few days. You lovely people, you smash that subscribe button, ding, hit that notification bell if you want to keep updated, and like and comment on this video. Where do you think Bitcoin will be by the end of January? My prediction is 23K, but then I think February will be trading sideways and possibly a bit more downside continuation. Anyways, see you soon, guys. Much love. Bye for now.